So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can sign a PDF in your MacBook. So for this, what you have to do, you have to search this app my PDF sign in the search bar, and after it, if you are into this Mac apps, then just switch to iPhone and iPad app. This is an iPad app, but it will work in your MacBook perfectly. Okay, then what we have to do, you say this, there is this option add signature. You have to simply click on this add signature, then you have to click on this choose PDF. Now select the PDF. Now as you can see, we have selected our PDF. Now you have to click on this add signature. Now there is two options, either you can draw your signature or you can upload your signature. If you want a accurate signature, then I suggest you go with this upload from photos. Click on this. Now you have to select your signature. Now this is done. And if you have your signature in your files and don't know how to add it to your gallery, then you see this, I have this signature in my files, and if I want to add this in gallery, then simply click on this, and you have to click on this share option, and you have to click on add to photos, and it will be added to your photos. This app picks signature from photos, so your signature image should be there in your photos. Now this is done. Now you have to click on this position on PDF. Just simply click on it. Now we don't need it in the front page, we need it here. Okay, I'll place my signature, and if you want to enlarge your signature, then also you can do it. So this is fine for me. Little bit this side. Okay, done. Now click on save. That's it, done. Now let me check. First page, second page, third page. It's perfect. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So this app is absolutely free of cost, so without paying any money you can just use it. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.